Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Good morning, I am Shritesh Dadve. We are presenting project PPT. Our project name is color detection of RGB images using Python. Our group members names are Pratik Gawat, Suresh Jadhav, including me, under the guidance of Professor P.S. Patil, Department of Computer Technology. The first slide is about introduction. Before starting the introduction, it is important to know the definition of the color detection. It is simply the process of identifying the name of any color. First, simulate the color detection model. It is obvious that humans perform this action naturally and do not put any effort in doing one. While it is not the case for computers. Three different colors, red, green, blue, are being tracked by utilizing the fundamentals of computer vision. The motivation. Human eyes and brain work in coordination in order to translate light into color. There is no regression in saying that humans have mapped certain lights with their color names and since childhood. Problem statement. This statement is project is useful in detecting traffic, vehicle, backlights and takes a decision to stop, start and continue driving. Project objective. The main objective of the project is methodology of identifying the shades of color with an exact prediction with their names. System architecture. The above architecture shows the capability for the project. This architecture makes the process more efficient based on principles and properties related to each other. As we know, RGB are the primary color that they can be mixed to produce different colors. The present color detection project takes the path of an image as an input and looks for the composition of three different colors RGB in the given image. Applications. Time consuming driverless cars used as a tool in a various image editing and drawing apps. The result of execution is here. The conclusion is in this project we define to get the required color field from the RGB image. In these various steps implemented using OpenCV platform. The references are given here. Now, after the PPT presentation, explain the source code of project and display the actual output of the project. In this source code, import different library, NumPy, Pandas, OpenCV. Next, we will creating arguments paths to make take image path from command line. Image syntax used reading the image with OpenCV. Next, declare the global variable index and CSV syntax. Reading SVV file with pandas and giving names to each column. Minimum function to calculate minimum distance from all colors and get the most matching color. Then next function to get XY coordinates of double click next CV to rectangle image start point, end point, color, thickness, file entire rectangle. Then creating text string to display the color name and RGB values. For varied light color, we will display text in a black color. Break the loop when user hits accept key. Then run the project. This command from enter the command on OpenCV. Then enter the path of color detection, Python file name as well as color image path. Then copy the path of color image. And paste here. And this is the final execution of project. Whenever we click on any area of image, it will display the color name and RGB value. This base paper is IEEE International Journal of Scientific Research in Computer Science, Engineering and Information Technology. The points are first one abstract, introduction, This is method materials, system architecture, conclusion, future work and references. Thank you for being here today. I really appreciate that you took the time to be here and listen to our presentation. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.